If you're thinking about buying your very first designer bag this summer, there is one brand that deserves a serious look before you spend thousands elsewhere. Coach has quietly become one of the smartest luxury purchases for beginners, and some of their summer 2026 bags are so good that they can easily become your everyday favorite for years. The best part? You don't need to spend Chanel money or Louis Vuitton money to get a bag that looks elevated, feels luxurious, and works with almost everything in your wardrobe. Today, we're looking at 3 Coach bags that are perfect for summer. But importantly, they're also bags that won't feel outdated once summer is over. If you're buying your first designer bag, versatility matters. Nobody wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a bag they only use for 2 months. And trust me, one of these bags might be the most underrated Coach purchase of the year. Let's get started. Number 1. Coach Bleecker Bucket Bag. Price: around $490. If your idea of the perfect summer bag is something practical, comfortable, and easy to carry every day, the Bleecker Bucket Bag deserves your attention. One of the biggest mistakes first-time designer bag buyers make is choosing a bag that looks beautiful online but becomes annoying to use in real life. Tiny bags can be cute, but once you're trying to carry your phone, sunglasses, wallet, keys, and a few extras, reality hits quickly. That's where the Bleecker Bucket Bag shines. The bucket shape gives you more space than many traditional shoulder bags, while still looking polished and stylish. It's the kind of bag you can take shopping, wear while running errands, bring to lunch with friends, or carry during a weekend city trip. What makes this version especially interesting for summer is the light denim with brass color combination. It feels fresh, relaxed, and effortlessly seasonal without looking trendy in a way that will age quickly. And here's something I really like about this bag. Many summer bags only work with summer outfits. This one doesn't. Pair it with white dresses, beige linen outfits, light blue denim, cream knitwear. Then later in the year, it transitions beautifully into fall and winter wardrobes. For a first designer bag, that kind of flexibility is incredibly valuable. Number 2. Coach Turnlock Haversack Bag. Price: around $750. The Turnlock Haversack bag may not get the same attention as the Tabby, but that's exactly why some buyers will love it. If you're looking for a bag that feels a little more unique and less obvious, this could be the one. The design has a sophisticated vintage-inspired look that immediately feels elevated. There's something about the silhouette that gives it a more premium appearance than many bags in this price range. And when you're buying your first designer bag, standing out in a subtle way can be more appealing than carrying the same bag everyone else has. What makes the Turnlock Haversack especially interesting is how effortlessly it moves between casual and polished outfits. Imagine wearing it with white trousers and a simple tank top, a relaxed summer dress, dark denim and a blazer, neutral winter coats. The bag adapts to all of them. Another reason I like it for beginners is that it doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it quietly communicates good taste. That may sound simple, but experienced luxury buyers understand exactly how powerful that can be. At around $750, it's the most expensive bag on today's list, but it also delivers a more distinctive look that could easily become the centerpiece of a collection. Number 3. Coach Tabby Shoulder Bag. 26. Price: around $570. Let's be honest. If you've spent any time researching Coach, you probably expected the Tabby to appear on this list. And there's a very good reason for that. The Tabby Shoulder Bag 26 has become one of Coach's biggest success stories. And for many people, it's the perfect first designer bag. But this particular version feels especially exciting for summer 2026. The fresh green color instantly adds personality while remaining surprisingly wearable. A lot of people hesitate when they see a colorful bag because they assume it won't match enough outfits. In reality, this shade works beautifully with some of the most common colors people already wear. Think about combinations with white outfits, beige tones, light blue denim, cream and ivory pieces. The result feels fresh, luxurious, and very summer-ready. But here's what makes this bag even smarter. Unlike many seasonal colors, this green doesn't feel limited to warm weather. As we move into fall and winter, it pairs beautifully with camel coats, chocolate brown tones, dark denim, rich neutral outfits. So instead of feeling like a summer purchase, it becomes a year-round investment. And perhaps most importantly, it has already proven itself. When you're buying your first designer bag, there is comfort in choosing a design that thousands of people already love. The Tabby has earned its reputation, and that's why it remains one of the safest and smartest luxury purchases in the Coach lineup. Final thoughts. If I had to rank these bags specifically for first-time designer bag buyers, my order would be: Number 3, Turnlock Haversack Bag. Number 2, Bleecker Bucket Bag. Number 1, Tabby Shoulder Bag 26. The Turnlock Haversack is ideal for someone who wants something a little different. The Bleecker is perfect for practicality, but the Tabby combines versatility, style, recognition, and long-term value in a way that's hard to beat. And that's exactly why it takes the top spot. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 Coach bags would you choose as your first designer bag, and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy luxury bag guides that help you make smarter buying decisions and avoid expensive mistakes, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new First Bag Diaries video.